And of course, Vietnam. Okay, thank you. Muli, thank you sa inyong magagandang year. And let's now proceed to our next. For the opening remarks, may I call on Mr. Arnett to welcome our DSO, Quezon City, and also the tournament manager of badminton. Let's give a round of applause for our tournament manager.
Thank you so much. First consideration sa group title conference being satisfied. To our best supporting energetic assistance schools division sa Presidente, Dr. Juan C. Vienna, sa 6 round of applause for Sir Juan Vienna, here engaging to us. To our officiating officials, kaway-kaway po tayo. I know this is actually a very big business for us. To our technical working group of the badminton, headed by yours truly and our assistant tournament manager, Dong Selva, sinutang ko natin, season natin, human. To all coaches, at mga coaches na, pagkawala yung mga coaches, yan. Maraming salamat tayo mo that you come from different places and then be able to enjoy the venue. Medyo lang naman tayo first natin. To the parents, who is the parents? Mga parents natin, lang ba tayo mga parents dito? Kaway-kaway po tayo, tayo sa popular games. Nandito ngayon. Also to our guests, and most importantly, to all players. Ang sarili nyo. Okay. Maraming salamat po for coming here in Quezon City for Fairview for this very momentous event, the badminton tournament. I know that most of you, all of you, lots of us, is very passionate in this craft. And the most important thing in this competition, we are not competing with each other, but rather we are selecting the best. Kasi what NCR tayo. And most of us will be competing only to Cebu. Hindi tayo nakakalaban dito. We are just only selecting the best talent that we can represent in the national palaro. One agenda kasi ng competition is to really have this talent identification. And doing that is through our palaro. So lahat na tayo panalo na kasi umabot na tayo sa regional. At ang ginagalang natin, buhatin natin na manalo pa rin at makuha pa rin natin ang overall. This is our goal. Please remember, kung sino man mananalo, inulit natin as to get the overall sa kwayang magkapalaro pangbansa. And this is very important. We really need to identify the best talent in this competition. Another one is the idea of sportsmanship. Nakikita natin yung ibang players, need them